Hey everybody, Nate Lee here, and I'm going to show you how to play a lick that I really like to play. It's a Benny Martin lick in the key of G, and it sounds like this. So the way to play this lick is to just start out right here in first position, play the second fret of the A string with your index finger, and then middle finger goes to third fret of the A string, ring finger to the fourth fret, and then ring finger to the fifth fret. And that's all alternating strokes there, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to go over and grab the seventh fret of the E string and play it down. And we're going to use your pinky for that note. Now, when you go to grab that note, make sure your thumb is near enough by to support your pinky. If your thumb's way over here, your pinky is going to have no support. So bring the thumb up, give the pinky some thumb support, and it's going to be a lot easier. So that's the first part of your lick. Next, we're going to do the exact same first four notes. But this time, we're just going to move the ring finger into a bar position. And instead of playing the seventh fret, we're going to play the fifth fret of the E string. Now we're going to reuse the first four notes again. And this time, we're going to grab the third fret of the E string. So we're using these same four notes 3 times. And each time the high note is changing. So the 7 on the E happens the first time, the 5 happens the second time, and then the 3. And you can put this anywhere a G chord is happening. It can be in the key of G or it can be in another key. Doesn't matter. Makes a really nice little riff style lick, meaning that it has a theme that it follows throughout the lick that takes you somewhere. So if you're playing along something in G, you might be... do something like that. So learn that lick, throw it into something in G, and then try it in some different keys. Since it's in closed position, you can play it anywhere. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.